Today I'm going to be making some really easy scrambled eggs. I've got 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of water, that's at room temperature, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 3 ingredients, let's get started. First thing we're going to do, get all of our 4 eggs into our bowl. I'm just going to start whisking those around. This is a really simple recipe. And now my 4 tablespoons of water, so that's 1 tablespoon of water per egg. Now you can use milk if you wish. If you want a little bit more nutrition, throw in the milk. We'll just mix that up. I want that really well whisked. And then we're ready to get our pan heated up and get on to the next step. I'm back and I've set up my hot plate here. First thing, get our oil in there. You can just mix that around a little bit. You don't want your heat too high. And then I'm going to grab all of my egg. I'm just going to give it a little last minute whisk and get that right in there. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is, right away, I'm going to start pushing the egg. If we leave the egg in there and don't move it, we're going to turn this into an omelet. So I'm going to just keep moving my egg just like this. I'm actually going to lower my heat. And then you just want to push it. Now you do not want to have a really high heat, because what will happen is your egg will actually start browning. Now if you like, a little bit of a crust on your egg, that's fine. However, I like my egg without that kind of crust. And so you want to do a low heat. Just like that. You can see how quickly this is coming together. Just before I started filming, I did make my toast. My toast is all ready to go. You can see in real time how quickly this comes together. And the longer you let this sit here, the more moisture is driven out of the eggs and the drier they will become. And at this point right here, you can see we're maybe 15-20 seconds away from plating. And right there, we're almost done. And that's it. So, let's plate this up. We'll get that right on there. Oh, that looks good. We'll get our toast on there as well. Hit that with a little pepper, a little bit of salt, and there we go. My easy scrambled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.